Hello student, welcome to this channel. It's another video for Pre-Technical Studies Grade 7 2026 007, and I'm going to start with the first section. So this video specifically covers section A only. Then next video will be covering section B. Question 1. We have question 1. Jane wants to repair a broken stool at home. She decides to draw a sketch of the design before starting. Which subject best prepares her for this task? The best subject that prepares her for this task is not English, pre-technical studies. It is pre-technical studies, not social studies, not music. Question 2. While working on a school project using an hammer, Kevin accidentally hit his finger. What safety rule did he likely ignore? Reading instructions? No, it is not related to reading of instructions. Turning off machines? Not related. Keeping the table clean? Not related. Wearing protective gloves? Wearing protective gloves. Question 3. Sharon uses her phone to share a photo online with a classmate. Later, the photo is misused by strangers. What online threat did she face? Electric shock? No, this is not online. That's physical. Fire hazard? No. Cyberbullying and privacy breach? Yes. Sharp object injury? No. That was cyberbullying and privacy breach. 4. A power surge damages a school computer app equipment. What kind of threat is this? This one is physical threat. It is physical power surge. 5. Which device should be used to protect computers from damaging during power surges? During power surge. Printer might also suffer the damage. Projector, no, it is not used to protect. Fan cannot protect. Equipment, we use UPS to protect equipment from damage. 6. Brian uses a tablet to research information for a class project. The tablet is best classified as a supercomputer, mainframe, personal computer, mini computer. It is classified as a personal computer, PC. 7. A student saves a file and the computer retrieves it instantly. This shows which computer characteristic. It's memory, emotion, versatile, storage. Retrieval, immediate retrieval, that storage. It was stored by the computer, so it is storage. 8. Maria uses email and video calls to connect with her cousins in another town. Which ICT tool is she using? Measuring tools? No. Farming tools? No. Communication tools? Yes. Plumbing tools? No. The right choice is C. Those are communication tools. 9. Which of the following best explains the importance of communication in a group project? Importance of communication. We have A, to reduce teamwork. Communication does not reduce teamwork. To create confusion. Communication does not create confusion. To share ideas and give updates. That's actually the right choice. Communication shares ideas and give update to waste time. Now, 10. In the computer app, the teacher shows students how to shut down computers properly. This is important for slowing down the system. No. Making the lab quiet, no. Preventing data loss and damage. Logging in faster. It is preventing data loss. If you use the right procedure to shut down your computers, you'll prevent data loss and damage. Question 11. A boy draws a circle with a radius and a diameter marked. What method of dimensioning is shown? We have linear, we have angular, we have radial, and we have arc. That is radial. Diameter is 2 radius. 12. A triangle, rectangle, and a square are combined to form a house sketch. These shapes are known as random forms, combined shapes, irregular lines, circular object. These are combined shapes. We are told that they are combined. So they are shapes that have been combined. We call them combined shapes. 13. In a school drawing lesson, Susan sketches a picture showing emotion using freehand. This type of drawing is a graffiti, portrait, illustration, caricature. To show emotion, that is an illustration. It is being drawn to illustrate emotion. 14. A line on a drawing is ribbon to show an object measurement in millimeters. This line is called a reader line, dimension line, break line, cutting line. So we have a line which has been ribboned to show object measurement in millimeters. That is a dimension. That's a dimension line. 15. Which shape has only length and width but no depth? Length and width without depth. For a cube we have the depth, the height. Cylinder we have height. Sphere we have the depth. But circle is the appropriate. It's a 2D, two-dimensional width, length, the 2D shape. We have the circle. This one is a 2D shape. 16. Mary uses a steel rule to measure wood before cutting. This tool is used for measuring. Yeah. Steel rule to measure, meaning measuring tool. Start direct. You can try from the statement. 17. Which one of these is a metallic material used to make electric wires? We use copper to make electric wires. 18. Peter uses aluminium to make lightweight windows. What physical property makes aluminium suitable for this? Heaviness? No. Rusting easily? No. Lightweight and last resistance. It is lightweight. Again, retrieving it directly from the question, you can get it the desired answer. 19. Which one of the following is an metallic material? We have bronze, brass. Those are metallic. Plastic is non-metallic. Then we have zinc, which is metallic. 20. During an art class, pupils are told to sketch without using a ruler. This is known as technical drawing, artistic drawing, freehand sketching, computer drawing. We call it freehand sketching. See. 21. In a community project, a group makes and sells flower vases. The vases are examples of services, needs, goods, problems. These are goods. They are goods. 32. A tailor repairs clothes and earns income. This is an example of a service. That's a service. You repair and earn income. 23. In a village, farmers land, machines, and money are used to grow maize. These are examples of loans, economic resources, expenses, household items. The economic resources, farmers, that is labor, land, machines, and money. 24. Rhea wants to start a shoemaking business. She asks a teacher and reads books. What is she looking for? Finance, business ideas, customers, suppliers. Rhea is looking for business ideas from the teacher and from the books. Looking for ideas. 25. Rana, who saves her pocket money to buy drawing pencil, is demonstrating wasting money, no. Borrowing, no. Financial discipline and goal setting, yes. Copying others, no. 26. The symbol of justice. Scales on Kenya currency represent the symbol of justice. History, peace, fairness, agriculture. Fairness. Which of these is a key security feature of a Kenyan banknote? The key security feature. Sound, no. Watermark, we have logo and we have barcode. So watermark. No logo, no barcode. So B is the right choice for question 28. A pupil start a beadwork, not bed. A pupil start a beadwork business in school and earns money. This activity shows readiness, entrepreneurship, government support, dependence. It shows entrepreneurship. Which one of the following is a reward for capital? Capital, the reward is interest. 30. A pupil uses a compass and a ruler to draw geometric shapes. These tools are examples of compass and a ruler. Those are drawing tools. We have building tools. They are not. Marking tools. No. Measuring and drawing tools. Yes. Compass draws, ruler measures. Cooking tools. No. That marks the end of section A. Thank you for watching this section. Watch out for section B.